We all know some trees get rid of their leaves and others don't, but why? This comes down to adaptive strategies that helps each species of tree survive based on the environment they grow in. First, you have conifer trees that tend to have needle-like leaves like this that are durable, waxy, and able to withstand a wide range of elements and temperatures, which means they can stay on the tree year-round and photosynthesize year-round and allow these trees to grow in environments that are really harsh. These needles take a lot of energy and resources for the trees to create, so they don't want to lose them every year. They're expensive. Instead, they hold on to them for 3 to 5 years or more, depending on the species. Then on the other hand, you have deciduous trees, like these guys, that have a completely different strategy. Instead of spending all that time and energy creating really waxy, durable needles that stay on year-round, during the winter, they chill out, unintentional pun, and store their energy. That way, when spring rolls around and there are longer days, they can pop out these really big, energy-efficient, paper-like leaves. This allows the tree to absorb a lot of light, create a lot of sugars to make up for the fact that they can't photosynthesize during the winter. If you're still here liking this video, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. So what's with the color change? Leaves get their color from 3 main compounds. The first is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is involved in photosynthesis, a process by which plants turn carbon dioxide in water into sugar and oxygen by harnessing the sun's energy. Chlorophyll absorbs a wide spectrum of light, except for green, which it reflects back, which is why we typically see leaves as green. Then there are the carotenoids. Think carrots. Carotenoids give leaves their yellow and orange hues. Carotenoids are present year-round with chlorophyll and chloroplasts, the organelles where photosynthesis occurs. Lastly, there's a group of compounds known as anthocyanins. They give plants their reddish hues and are often found in things like blueberries, cranberries, and lots of dark red leaves. These anthocyanins are actually produced in the fall when chlorophyll starts to break down. Now in the fall, days are getting shorter and there's less daylight happening in general. So these trees actually stop photosynthesizing and they start to retract nutrients from their leaves to store them for the winter. Chlorophyll is highly valuable. So in very general terms, the tree slurps that stuff back into its tissue. As it travels out of the leaf, it starts to expose other pigment molecules. This means that the yellows and the oranges of the carotenoids can start to show through. Here's the science experiment you can do with leaves of different colors. As leaves fall to the ground, they collect and become known as leaf litter, which plays a critical role in the health of ecosystems. So why are a bunch of dead old leaves on the ground so important, you ask? A few reasons. In the fall, it tends to rain more, and exposed soil and dirt can easily be eroded or washed away by falling raindrops. But leaf litter helps break up those raindrops and allows the water to seep into the soil slowly. As leaf litter collects, it provides an insulated, protective layer for native animals. Just a few inches below the soil surface, for example, many insects go into a hibernation-like state called diapause, lying dormant until the ground warms. Then all this slowly breaks down, being eaten by fungi and other decomposers, returning vital nutrients to soils. So if you can, leave the leaves. Your backyard ecosystem will thank you. And if you want to keep learning, you can check out this video next.